In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Yoast SEO, a powerful plugin for optimizing your WordPress website for search engines. Whether you're a blogger, an online store owner, or just creating content for fun, optimizing your website for search can significantly enhance its visibility, bringing more traffic and potential customers to your site. Stick with me as I walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each action and its purpose. First and foremost, we need to install and activate Yoast SEO. To do this, navigate to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. Once you see Yoast SEO appear in the results, click on Install Now, and after it's installed, hit Activate. Your website is now equipped with one of the most powerful SEO tools out there. Pretty simple, right? Now that Yoast SEO is set up and running, our next task is to make use of the configuration wizard. This wizard will guide you through a series of steps to get your website configured just the way you want it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, select SEO, and then General. Here you'll see a tab for the configuration wizard. Go ahead and click it. Follow the guided steps carefully. You'll need to select your site's type from options like blog or online store. Then, specify whether your site represents an organization or a person, which helps search engines understand who your content is associated with. Adding your logo and social media links at this step is crucial, as it helps reinforce your brand's presence online. You'll also need to decide if you want your site to appear in search results. That's a yes for most of us. If you're working with multiple authors, make sure to select that option as well. For those who are interested, you can set up Google Search Console during this process, although it's optional. Finally, finish the setup, and your initial configuration is complete. See, it wasn't too bad. Now, let's move on to configuring the XML sitemap, which Yoast SEO has already automatically created for you. Head back to the SEO tab in your WordPress dashboard and select General again. Then navigate to the Features section. Here, you'll find the XML Sitemaps option. Just make sure this feature is enabled. You can view your sitemap by visiting your website's URL, followed by sitemap index.xml. This is an essential file because it tells search engines about all the pages on your website, helping them index your site more effectively. After you've double-checked that your sitemap is enabled and accessible, the next step is submitting this sitemap to Google Search Console, ensuring that Google knows exactly what to index on your site. And that's it. With these steps, you have successfully configured Yoast SEO for your website.